In the next couple of minutes, I'm going to show you how you can quickly and effectively scale your best practices, your compliance, or whatever you want across your own team, your own workflows, or across your organization by using our new feature called Personas. So what we're going to do here is I'm going to access, open up a board. I'm going to open up a chat window here. And on the left-hand side, we'll go to our quick menu, and I'm going to click Persona. You can see that I have my team of my personas already built. And I'm going to create a new one. I'm going to create the Whoozy brand and tone of voice expert is what I want. And I want to add some training documentation. So I'm going to take our brand guidelines, give it to this persona, and now add it to the board. What's happening behind the scenes is Whoozy is now taking in and ingesting the documentation. It's actually a pretty big document, so it's going to take a minute. And it's also taking my description of what I'm looking for and rewriting it into a comprehensive system prompt that will then give me a repeatable asset that will be able to connect to any chat, and it will be able to be my tone of voice and brand expert based on the system prompt and based on the training documents that I gave it. So if you can see here, it now wrote out clearly what this persona is supposed to do, how it's supposed to act, and it shows me the training documents that are inside of it. If I want to make any changes, I can click the edit button. I can change this to my heart's content. If I don't want to do this manually, I can just ask the AI to make a change. So I'm going to have make sure that it gives suggestions for improvements. Okay, and I'm going to give that to the AI, and now it will add that to the system voice. Now, let's make a query and see how it goes. So just for fun, we're going to choose GPT 5.1. I'm going to say, hey, Whoozy, tell me about the tone of voice and give me a couple of characteristics about our brand. So now what's going to happen here is that this AI, you can see this is now a brand voice message strategist. What's happening is analyzing the persona documentation that I give it. So when you do something like this, you're grounding your chats in a source of truth. You're grounding it in a persona that has a type of responsibilities that you're looking to do, and then it's grounding it in the documentation, whatever training voice that you gave it. Just remember that AI is not grounded in truth, it's grounded in pattern. So if you really want outstanding results, you can do things like this to give your chat, your interaction with AIs a much better chance to give you exactly the novel and creative and interesting and thoughtful responses that you're looking for. Now, what's really cool about this is that you can actually attach multiple personas to a single chat. So let's say I wanted to have my FHA underwriting specialist here, and I give it to the chat, and now I can actually chat with both personas at the same time, which is really cool. So one final thing, if you are a team leader or organization leader, you can also make these personas. So let's say you want to embody your best salesperson persona and amplify that across your sales team. Or you want to have your brand guidelines or anything for compliance. You can do that, and then whatever groups that you've allowed them to have access to the personas will show up here in their group personas. Hope that was helpful. Go after it, and let me know if you have any questions. Cheers.